Welcome back, everybody, to Lollipop Chainsaw and Video Games Awesome Live. In Rankings mode, you can compete against zombie hunters from around the world. Nah. I don't need to compete to know I'm the best. What happened to San Romero? So that was the prologue. This is stage 1. What happened to San Romero High? Maybe we'll get a little backstory onto why the hell there's zombies everywhere.
Yeah, man. Beat your dad's high score.
Is that like a pre-programmed high score that you should like try to aim for, I guess? So I guess that's kind of almost a spoiler. One could extrapolate from that tip that he used to hunt zombies.
True.
There's something going on with your family.
Yeah.
Nick.
Oh. Julia?
How did he fare?
What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Julia, I'm not a zombie. Not at all.
How can he move his head?
Is she moving it for him?
I had to.
Oh, God! Oh, fuck! Oh, God! Where's my fucking body? Oh, fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What?
I love that he keeps thrashing around.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy.
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Oh, this song. They put in modern stuff, too.
That's cool.
Leave me alone!
Cool.
Yeah, that was fun.
Shit. There we go.
Sweet Lily.
Alright.
Sweet Lily. Are you getting stronger or?
No, I'm just getting a little bit better.
Stupid zombie.
Oh, whoa! That,
Oh.
that feels like for a while I thought that the game wasn't taking into account where you hit them. I was getting a little bit disappointed by it.
You take off their hands.
Oh my god, dude, that is fucking freaky.
Yeah, but I thought the limbs coming off was random. Like I didn't know that
Yeah.
like the swipe, where you swipe, actually had to do with it. Which is nice to know. There we go.
Nice.
I love that her posture has him like poking out that far.
Yeah.
Just reading this.
Stay on the chalkboard.
Welcome to San Romero High School.
Just equations.
There should have been a dick. Yeah.
How do I answer it?
Yeah, what's the deal with the phone?
Guys, how do I answer it?
Press up. Oh.
It's gone now.
Oh.
It never taught
get
us,
it.
did it?
Somebody in the chat said it's automatic, but it must not
Then
be
what
because-
happened there?
Yeah.
She answers it on her own at certain parts in the game.
Then why does it even show up? The lollipops are supposed to
Phone
mean
is
saving.
just saying that you have more info in your pause menu.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
That was freaking me out. I want to hear from her mom.
Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Lost pet. Cash reward. It's just a mouse. Sumatran hamster answers to Selenin. Found. Do not approach. Here we go.
You can destroy lockers for coins.
Oh. I think these are already destroyed. Alright, assholes.
It's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
This kind of math sucks.
Okay.
Press pause, go to Juliet's room, then pick phone. You should try that.
Juliet's room
Maybe like stash.
and pick phone. There's no phone.
There's no. Oh, go back
There.
one. There.
Okay, we can listen to this. We heard the first one.
Hey, baby, it's Mom. I just wanted to check that your boyfriend's still coming. I can't wait to meet him.
Do you think he can eat?
Sure, why not?
Sure, you can chew. We just need the little neck hole.
Alright, Fitzgibbon. Yeah, a bucket.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Eat as
Just
much
eat
as you want. Oh no. Ah!
Man, Fitzgibbon, you're kind of a shitty zombie.
Oh, that move can hit
Yeah.
more than one person.
Stop!
I keep thinking her boyfriend's head is a zombie. Nice.
What's up, the self-destruct tutorial?
I thought it was a math.
Hey! I want to fight you, Fitzgibbon!
Try and
Come
change
at
after
me,
that.
bro!
Can you go around to the very far left? Nope.
You have to, because there's
Yeah,
no
he's
more
on the
zombies
numbers.
until-
I need one more.
Can you go through the door?
Nope.
Huh?
Nope. What the shit's going on, Fitzgibbon? Oh, what the hell
Where
were
did he
you
come
doing?
from?
You're a little slow to the party there, bud.
Now, Fitzgibbon.
Oh, he jumped out the window.
Oh. I feel like I'll run into Fitzgibbon later.
Yeah.
What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit.
Zombie Bomber Fest? What's this? March's Student Syndrome Awareness. Stendhal? I know that word. What does that mean? Join our sit-down protest at the campus gallery. Free coffee and donuts. Yeah, I'm not sure what that means. Stendhal syndrome. Oh shit, there was a bunch of lockers.
Oh,
We should
Oh,
have
yeah.
them, right?
Don't worry, I'll take care of them.
She's banging her head against the window. I have to save all these people before they become super zombies. Is she not alive?
You have to kill 11 baddies.
Alright, I'm gonna go save this
Rescue
guy.
classmates, yes.
Get away! This seems to be the most effective in knocking back.
And there's a lollipop at the very end.
Snark, hallucinations, dizziness when exposed to art.
What?
Yeah,
Who's it named after?
I don't know.
Weird.
Got you, buddy.
Yeah.
Good job.
Make sure those other ones don't get him. That's a pretty strange syndrome.
Yeah.
Are you serious? That's
They said that's what the wiki said.
hilarious.
Yeah.
So is that girl dead? She wasn't savable, I guess.
She didn't turn into. Yeah, I don't think she was
out
savable.
after school.
Yeah, I think only the ones with SOS.
Oh,
What? What? Did I not have a chance to get her or what? I don't get it.
no, me neither.
She didn't turn into a strong one, so she mustn't have been one that I had
Yeah.
saved.
Doesn't have to be art, but usually is. I'm fascinated by this syndrome.
Does it have to be good art?
I don't know.
Your child draws you a little picture.
Yeah, like what constitutes art? Like,
Got 3 more baddies.
Where are they? Oh, through there. I'm gonna go get these lockers first. Let's see what lockers are all about. Yeah, coins.
Sweet, man. And yes, an SOS will appear above the heads of people you can save. Good move.
who is this?
I forget.
I fucked up my math test. I need help.
I've seen it though before.
Aww.
All right.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again.
Fuck off, Fitzgibbon. Future zombies are the worst. Find the weak spots to make them vulnerable to attack. All right, first save this guy.
Whoa. You got it in there.
Yeah, I did that on purpose. I think his weakness is just being behind him.
Yeah.
There,
Yeah.
finally.
His weakness is going up his butt with his chainsaw.
I guess he's an end guy. When you do a special move, you should be able to cut him in half right away.
Yeah.
Yay!
Ah, fuck off,
belly.
Fitzgibbon. Oops.
Oh yeah, good call.
He's almost dead. Woo!
Fitzgibbon get.
Where do I know that name from?
Fitzgibbons?
Yeah.
Sweet, C-.
Uh-oh.
Ah!
Oh,
Zombie bomb.
shit.
I got a C minus? I thought I did good.
No,
Fuck.
Fitzgibbon just
I
randomly
think that
gave
zombie
you a C-.
seriously
Oh.
had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
He waves as he disintegrates.
Disintegrates.
Bye, bye, bye. Never forget me, me. Oh. Yep.
Sweet. Oh, shit.
This way. They aren't savable, so I don't give a shit. Oh!
Whoa!
That was close.
Guess I...
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
Glad I didn't go that way.
Hey, it didn't cover her butt that time.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're in the way of my lollipop.
Something might work. Hey, Nick. We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Oh.
I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet. But that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
A mini game will start when I put his head on it.
okay.
Just like this.
Oh.
She's cheering for you.
This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
Blue and stuff.
So, I wonder if you can feel the body.
Yeah, I wonder if he can still do it. But she'd have to do it with a zombie.
If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Oh,
Telephone.
so does that mean that if I go in here, there is a new thing? Oops. Ah.
Hey, it's Mom.
Okay, we know that.
Juliet, it's Mom.
Jesus,
I know
Mom.
it's silly, but
What's
I've been
that?
shopping online all day. I can't believe I used to be afraid to give out my credit card number online. Boy, it's really addictive.
Her mom's really lonely, I think.
Nick ticket. We'll do some shopping before the break.
Time to shop.
New threads.
Yeah.
Sexy American casual. Can I preview it first? It
Doesn't
costs
look
platinum
like it.
medals. I don't have enough.
Looks like a boring outfit anyways.
Yeah, it does.
Click.
Click it.
Super secret concept art. Oh, I'm not gonna buy concept art. Jesus.
What if
Records?
it's scantily clad?
Nah, I can just go online for that. Combos and roulette techniques. And health upgrades. So,
What should I get?
Nick tickets, platinum medals, magic beans. Oh, this just in general will make me
What should I get?
Increases
gives
your
me
power
bigger
permanently.
powered dumbbells. I think I want strength. That's one of my top priorities
Yeah.
here.
I found something. There it is, there it is.
Sweet. I'm like much stronger now. I think that's all I care about.
Sweet, that's good.
Well,
Want to get some light?
Yeah, I want to get some light for the pause screen.
There you go.
There we go. All right, we'll be back after this with more Lollipop Chainsaw and Video Games Awesome Live. Stay tuned.